Amazon's latest innovation, the Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition, has finally arrived, revolutionizing the e-reading experience. This cutting-edge device boasts stunning color display technology, elevating reading to new heights. The standard edition is priced at $279 in two versions, while the Signature Edition, which includes a premium dock, costs $327. The Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition features a vibrant color display, enhanced visual clarity with advanced font technology, long-lasting battery life, and a lightweight, ergonomic design. It also exclusively offers a premium dock for seamless charging and storage, an auto-adjusting front light, and temperature control. With its innovative features, the Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition redefines e-reading, combining stunning visuals with seamless functionality. Whether you choose the Standard or Signature Edition, get ready to indulge in your favorite books like never before. Pre-order now and discover a new world of reading. JB recently shared his thoughtful analysis of the Kindle Colorsoft, sparking an intriguing discussion about its value proposition. As an avid reader and note-taker, JB's arsenal includes the Kindle Scribe, Kobo Clara, Kobo Libra, Remarkable Paper Pro, and iPad. However, he questioned the necessity of a color e-reader, considering his black and white Kindle and Remarkable Paper Pro already meet his reading and note-taking needs. He was skeptical about the need for color functionality, given his satisfaction with his existing devices. The Kindle Colorsoft's release prompts readers to reassess their needs, questioning whether color functionality is necessary. JB's thoughtful evaluation encourages a nuanced discussion about the value of color e-readers. With the added cost and potential trade-offs, will color enhance the reading experience? When comparing Kobo and Kindle devices, JB emphasizes that the best choice depends on individual preferences and ecosystem requirements. To make an informed decision, users must consider four key factors: library compatibility, ecosystem integration, reading habits, and budget. Library compatibility is crucial, as it ensures seamless access to your digital library. This includes considering file formats, compatibility with popular bookstores, and the ability to sideload content. Ecosystem integration also simplifies navigation and synchronization, with features like cross-device compatibility, cloud syncing, and support for popular reading apps. Understanding your reading habits is vital. Reflect on whether you prefer text-heavy reading or graphic-rich content, the frequency and duration of your reading sessions, and your preference for touchscreen or physical buttons. Lastly, establish a budget and weigh device pricing, storage capacity, additional features, and long-term value. JB's expert insight highlights the importance of understanding your needs in the evolving e-reader market. By carefully considering these factors, users can maximize their reading experience, ensure seamless access to content, and make informed purchasing decisions. Ultimately, investing time in self-reflection will help you discover the perfect e-reader tailored to your unique preferences and requirements. The Kindle Colorsoft's arrival sparks self-reflection, encouraging readers to reevaluate their reading habits, library compatibility, and ecosystem requirements. By doing so, readers can make informed decisions, choosing the device that best aligns with their unique needs and preferences. JB recently explored the book's 10.3-inch e-reader, which combines reading and note-taking. While acknowledging its potential, JB expressed reservations due to personal preferences for separate devices. He noted the device's strengths, including its large display, stylus support, and integration of reading and note-taking. However, JB also raised concerns about potential distractions, limited battery life, and higher costs compared to specialized e-readers. This ambivalence extends to the Kindle Colorsoft, with JB undecided about purchasing due to added costs, potential battery drain, and limited optimized content. JB invites viewers to share their perspectives on color e-readers, specifically seeking use cases where color enhances reading, benefits for specific genres, and experiences with existing color e-readers. By sparking this conversation, JB encourages the e-reader community to reassess the value of color in digital reading. Your input can help shape the future of e-readers. Join the discussion by sharing thoughts on color e-readers, suggesting potential use cases, and exploring integrated reading and note-taking devices.